You got it, girl. You got it.
Yo, Smalls, turn up with bro.
Got a bag and now you follow. Baby, get 'em follow. Baby, get 'em follow. Baby, get 'em follow. Now you follow. Baby, get 'em follow. Baby, get 'em follow. Baby, get 'em follow. Baby, get 'em follow.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be doing a DIY eyelash extensions, like doing your eyelash extensions at home by yourself. But before I jump into this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Now before I go anywhere, I just want to say this is how I do my eyelash extensions. I haven't done it yet, but this is how I am attempting to do it. You do not have to do it. And yeah, I just wanted to say that, like, I don't want anybody to say that's not the right way of doing it, whatever. I'm not a professional. Well, I should not say I'm not a professional, because I do have a certificate in eyelash extensions, but doing it on yourself, I do not recommend that unless you are using like the Ardell, the individual lash glue that you can use on yourself, or I see people using the actual weaving glue, the bond, where is it? It's somewhere here, but the hair glue, I've seen people use that because it's not so, like, it won't burn your eyes if you put it like close to your eyelid. Like the eyelash extension glue that I actually use to apply lashes on my clients, I'm not going to use that type of glue on myself, because that glue, even if the eyelashes is just, even if it's just on the eyelash itself and not in your eyes, it burns a lot. So you cannot use that glue to do your own. The glue that I will be using to do my own is called the Ardell Lash Tight Dark Adhesive, and this is what I'll be using for myself. I'll be putting it on my little spool thing here, and I will be applying it to my eyes. Also, I had these lashes. So what I did with these are like the eyelash extensions that I actually use on my clients. I use these on my clients. But what I went ahead and did was I made some fans with them because I wanted to do a volume look on myself. Can you just open? Did something spill in that? Yeah, so I have some fans in here that I actually went ahead and I made them myself, but I will be mixing some of them with some pre-made fans that you can order online from different lash companies or lash vendors or whatever. So I'll be mixing both the lashes from here and some lashes from here. So the length that I will be putting on myself, I will be starting with 15, and I'll see what the 17 looks like on my eyes, and then I will probably mix it with 18 as well, but I don't know. But what I'm using is my tweezer that I actually use on my clients. And yeah, so I'm just gonna start out by adding this glue right here. Okay, so I didn't put a lot. That's what I put. I didn't put a lot. Now I'm just going to start. So I think I had these shorter ones on this side, so I'm gonna put like the shorter ones in the inner corner, just like my natural eyelashes. I'm gonna put the short ones in here and then the longer ones out there. So pretty much just like my eyes. Okay, so again, this is my first time doing this, guys, so don't judge me to say like, oh my gosh. So this is 17. I made, oh, I don't wanna, oh no, I already made my fans. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll be placing them underneath. So instead of putting them on top, I'll be placing them like underneath my lashes. Yeah, I think this length is fine. I don't know why I thought this would not be fine. So I'm gonna start off. See, it's right there. And you wanna try to not get it too close to your eyelids. But you know, sometimes it happens, but if you can, try not to put it too close to your eyelids. And what I'll be doing is I'm going to be putting on like the same thing, so one here, one there, one there, so my eyes can look the same as possible, even though it might not, but you know, have to try. So I realized I was not really in the frame, so I decided to do like a second video to kind of show you guys exactly what I did, which is this video right here, just so you guys can know exactly how I place the lashes. So I'm gonna speed up this part, but you guys know what I'm doing. Basically, I'm just putting the fans that I pre-made, I'm putting them under and not on. And obviously this one's falling out. Oh, it's not dry yet. Yeah, obviously I am not able to like literally open my lashes, not open my lashes, but you know how they do in the not individual, well, yeah, what am I talking you know how you do the professional fusion lashes, and you literally have to go in and kind of put it on each of your lashes. Obviously that won't be happening because again I'm doing it myself, so I'm just putting it under my eyes. And yeah, I am just going to keep adding, and then I will pretty much, you know, you guys already know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
I think one of the lashes had a string on it and it caught in this eye, but I took it out. It's fine now. Yeah. For my bottom lashes, maybe I'll just continue doing these. I'll do the pre-made ones and I'll just do 8, because the ones that I made, they're too long. So I'll just do these. Why did I say lashes that are on my eyes? I'm just attaching them to like random lashes, and I'm trying to put them on my lashes and not my lids. Okay, so I think I am done. This is how they're looking. Hold on, guys, I love them. I'm just gonna brush them out. Whoa. For some reason I like this one better than this, but whatever. Okay, so this is how they are pretty much looking. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I am not doing this to say you guys should do it as well. I'm just showing you guys how I do my own. Well, this is my first time doing it and I'm actually in love with it. Like, it looks like I actually went to the lash tech and got my lashes done properly. But yeah, thank you guys. This is the final look. Thank you guys again. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Guys, we're almost at 12k. Like, I need like 200 more subscribers to reach 12k. I think we could do this. I think we could do this. Yeah, thank you again, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Hey, yo, Smalls, turn up on them, bruh.